Okay, so here is the week 6 team point counterpoint research paper. There's going to be 2 topics. Again, it will be 700 words, consistent APA, and you will, of course, upload your Word document. We're going to be talking about either cancer or asexual versus sexual reproduction. Let me pause and pull up that rubric. Okay, so topic 1 is to describe the clinical trials and their process. So how do they work? What are the general steps that you go through? When do they get to humans? Explain the purpose of clinical trials and who funds them. So what are they trying to accomplish? Are they funded by the private industry, by the government, by a state, by a nonprofit, typically? Describe the pros and cons participants may face in choosing to participate in the clinical trial. So why is it good? Why is it bad? Describe at least 2 specific clinical trials involving cancer research, and then the formatting and the referencing. So I'm thinking I would be tempted to give one of these first 3 prompts to each person if I have a 3-person group. Let's kind of assume we have 3-person groups. That just seems to happen. And then this last one, I would give 1 trial to 2 of the 3 people and let the 3rd person be the editor. That seems the most sense. Okay. So my husband calls that Chasing Life show on ABC Family, my cancer show. So if you like that kind of thing, or the sick fic as they call it, you might find this option more interesting. Always just do a Google search, see which one has more credible links pop up. That kind of tells you where to focus. Now for topic 2, asexual versus sexual reproduction. This one's going to be probably a little bit more clinical, but you get to focus on some really cool animals or plants, and that would be up my alley too. They're both kind of up my alley. Maybe that's why I'm teaching the course. So describe asexual and sexual reproduction. So what's asexual, what's sexual, kind of compare and contrast briefly though. You did the whole lab, so this should be kind of a review. Choose at least 2 organisms that reproduce both ways. So they give you some examples. Describe why they do so. So are they doing it like they just pick one or the other, or is it like one part of their life they do one way, the other part they do the other way? And then describe the organism's pros and cons for producing asexually versus sexually. So when is it good to be asexual? When is it good to be sexual? That kind of thing. If they can pick, or if they can't, does it help or hurt? And so for this one, and then the formatting and the references. This one, I feel like 2 organisms and then you're following them and talking about, that's a lot of work. This could be a lot of work with the pros and cons. It just kind of depends. You're going to be doing it with each organism, right? So I would say these bottom 2 I would give to 2 people, 1 to a person, and whoever takes the first one, because that won't be quite so difficult to do, not so research heavy anyways. That would probably be what I'd give the person who's going to be the editor to. I think that's probably the easiest way to break it up, but just do whatever feels and works good to you.